This is the OASIS News Organization. Oh no.
Why, hello, O-Nos. Today's report is about a manual sun tracker. Or you could buy this robot-looking thing. You got the money for it. I don't. Let's talk about where you put your solar panels. All right, here's your standard rig here. You put all four up there on one side, and I don't know, maybe for half the day it gets a whole bunch of sun. But right now, they're in the shade, but the front of the house has sun. Or you can buy this. Got an actuator. It's got a motor that turns it around. Not in the budget. Cute little tiny house here. 4 panels, 2 are in the shade, 2 are in the sun. 50% loss of power. That's not good. This guy don't understand his panels up 8 feet, which is 4 feet closer to the sun than if they're on the ground. I'm not an expert. Your regular rig out here in the forest, I can guarantee you that the tree line gives them shade problems. I like this little rig. Lightweight, PVC, cheap, 1 panel to carry around. Cool. Looks like a cabin in Alaska. About the size of my cabin. I bet he can use all the power he can possibly generate, especially in the wintertime. But it's stationary. He's only going to get sun a few hours a day. Now here's a guy, like the idea, rolls around, but it's way, way too heavy duty for what I've got in mind. Now we're getting close. The guy's got an old trailer. He stuck a solar panel on there so he can roll it around where he wants it. Well, here's the back of my cabin. It's 12 feet wide. And off and on all day long. Some of it's in the shade, so that doesn't work. I'm not putting them up on the roof because I don't want to get up there for maintenance or to clean them. Left side of the cabin, on and off through the day, there's shade. So let's be simple. Just leaning them up against the tree. Well, that works for about 3 hours a day. Now, I'm a preacher of keep it simple, stupid. I went and got myself a wagon that I wasn't using. I put that storage shelf on there, tied the storage shelf to the wagon, the panels to the storage shelf, and now I can roll it around wherever I want to. And at first I thought, man, I got this thing licked. But I only had 20 feet of cable, so I couldn't keep it in the sun all day long. Well, after all of this extensive research that you and I have gone through, it came down to, well, I need an extension cord. So I bought 100 feet of solar cable for $75. Drug my little wagon out there in the middle where there's always sunshine all day long. And I'd adjust the aim to the sun god 2 times a day. Then when I was finished, I'd put it right back aiming east. And voila, there you have it. Keep it simple, stupid. A few suggestions. You could use a wheelbarrow maybe, but it might be top heavy. You could use a kid's wagon and mount the panels on top of it with plywood. That'd be all right. Or you could put plywood down on the ground and then build another rack for the panels so that when you're aiming it at the sun god, you're not having so much trouble dragging it around on the ground. It would be on a smooth surface, the plywood. You might even have, if you have a lightweight boat trailer, that could work too. But you got the idea. You just want to be able to aim them 3 times a day. And whatever you do, don't spend any money on this. You've got some parts, just use them.
Remember, Onos, world peace begins at home.